What's up, YouTube family? This is Jeff with a little bit of everything home services, coming to you with another video. All right, family, so today I am going to be giving my review on the 18V SubCompact Cordless 3-inch multi-material saw kit. And this kit comes with 3 blades, family. So, all right, so funny story on this. The reason I bought this, I saw it in the store, and I was like, man, I've been looking for something like this. My intent was to use it to cut small pieces of wood for, small projects. Like if I'm repairing a sink. Say I'm doing a sink underneath the cabinet. I'm replacing the wood down there, something thin, not too thick. Just little thin wood is my whole goal. That was the goal that I had in mind. But turns out this particular saw does not cut wood. You can't use it to cut wood. I was so disappointed when I bought it, and and after I read the instructions and started reading, then I was like, well, it didn't. What threw me off was it comes with 3 blades, right? It comes with a metal cut-off blade. It comes with a diamond. I think this is a diamond. Yep. It comes with a diamond towel blade. Then the blade that I have on here, it comes with a drywall and plastic blade. The one that's on there right now. It's for drywall and for plastic. So I was like, where is the wood? I'm like, where is the one for wood now? Come on. That was my whole purpose. I did my research on it. I went to the store, searching everywhere for the wood blade, couldn't find it. So finally I went online and started looking, and want to find out you can't use it to cut wood. So I was not happy about that. And I was going to take it back, is what I was going to do, because it defeated the purpose of me buying it. So, but then I was in a pinch one day, and I needed to cut some tubing. And I was like, you know what? I have that out there. Let me use that and see how it works. And man, I'm telling you, it works great. I after actually trying it, no, there's no way I'm going to take it back. It worked for my purpose. Now, let me show you what you can use it for. Hold on. This is perfect for cutting this PVC pipe. What I would normally use to cut this pipe would be normally, family, I would use my Sawzall. Now I want to do a review on the Sawzall, because this thing I've had for probably about 7 years, and this is the bomb. Anyway, all right, so I wasn't cutting this thick right here. What I was cutting was just some simple PVC pipe. You cutting some 3/4 PVC pipe. Now this right here is 3/4 PVC pipe. So just to show you what I mean, I was running some drain lines for air conditioning unit. So I did a video on it. You can check it out. But the video showed that the drain was clogged, and after I cleared the clog, I still had problems with the drain leaking. So I replaced it. I had to replace it. Once I cut it off there, I couldn't use it anymore. I had to replace it. So therefore, that's what I did. Now, normally, family, I would just use some pipe PVC cutters for this, and it's all type of PVC cutters, family. And I'm gonna do a separate video on that. But let me pull out PVC cutters that I initially would have used, and that's these. But you also have the one that I really would have used was this one. This is great for PEX, is what it's great for. And when you're cutting PVC on it, I'm going to show you. And cutting it, it is not the best. I mean, it's the struggle, family. Now, will it cut it? Yes, it will cut it. I'm going to show you. See, this right here will cut it. But it is not an easy thing. There we go. It's getting through there. Ratcheting, bang. So it'll cut it off, no problem. So and you can use it, but you only can use it up to a certain size. Now, of course, all of these are great for PEX. This is great for PVC as well. But if I had a thicker diameter pipe, family, it would be the struggle. I still could do it, but it would be the struggle. Let's slide this on you. Bam. And it has a little lever right here on the side to go reverse and forward. You know, right here on the side there. On the other side, you see it. See? So if I want to cut forward, I just push it in. There we go. All right, so now why this, I use this in a minute. Why this came in handy? Well, when I was cutting this PVC pipe, family, let me show you something. The difference is now when you use this one, it doesn't make a mess. It just cuts it. You know, but when you use this one, it does, shards do come off now of plastic. So let's slide this over so you can get a better look at the cut. Okay, family, so take a look at it in action. See, can you see that? There we go. You can see that a little bit better, I think. Okay. So if I'm just cutting this piece off, look at it. And then I can turn it while I'm cutting. In reverse is what I have it right now, or I can go forward. And now, look at that. Look at that, family. So, like I said, now the disadvantage is it does make a mess. Unlike the other one, there is no mess. But what I found, it worked out for my good because of the angle of the pipe that I was cutting off there. I couldn't get it with, this would not fit in there. This was not gonna cut this very easily. So that worked out great. So my overall review of it is I really, really like it. If you need it to cut wood, don't buy it because you're wasting your money. If you're trying to buy it to cut wood, that's not its purpose. It's meant for drywall, for plastic, for tile and cutting things out like that. But overall, this little baby right here, this little brushless saw, it does the business. All right, family, well, I'm not going to drag this on and off, but it's a great tool. If you have the rigid battery family, then this is just another tool in your arsenal that works great. You know, I want to thank you for taking the time out to check out the video. Talk to you soon. Have a blessed day.